litmus paper, and this contains strips of red litmus, and this is blue litmus paper. Here we are having the strips of blue litmus. Now we are going to determine whether the substance taken here is acid or base. As we studied, the acid will turn the blue litmus to red and bases will turn red litmus to blue. Here we are going to check. I am dipping blue litmus paper in this solution. See, there is no change. And now I am introducing a red litmus inside. So I can able to see the color change. So this shows that this is a substance which turns red litmus blue. So this is a base. And now we are going to check this solution. I am introducing blue litmus. See, the blue litmus turned red in color. So this is having an acid solution. So the blue litmus is turned to red color. And now to this acid solution, I am introducing a red litmus paper. So check, there is no change in the color. Now in this test tube, I have taken some acid substance. I am adding phenolphthalein to this acid substance. This phenolphthalein. I am adding phenolphthalein to this. I am adding a drop of phenolphthalein. You can able to see there is no color change. The color is not changed. The same when I am taking some bases. Here in this I am having base. Again I am adding phenolphthalein solution to this base. And you are able to see the change in color. The color changes to pink. This shows that it is a base which is present inside the solution. So now I am having methyl orange solution. I am adding methyl orange solution to a substance which is an acidic medium. So I can be able to find the color changes to red. Actual color of methyl orange is changed to red. This shows that the solution present inside is acidic solution. So now I have taken two different solutions. So we are going to check what color it's showing to an indicator called universal indicator. The universal indicator indicates various pH range as shown here. The basic pH will show a blue or violet color and the acidic pH will show red color or orange color. So we are going to check with this universal indicator solution what is the pH of the given solutions. So the green color of the indicator, now it's changed to blue, and here in this solution it changes to red. So you can be able to see that the change in color is green to orange. Here the change in color is green to blue. This indicates that the solution is having basic pH. That means pH greater than 7. And this shows that the solution containing acidic pH. The pH is less than 7.